Hi, Celeste here, and today we will be doing neon hearts. Cover your tip or pop with black gel polish and make sure it is properly cured and wipe with sanitizer. With my 11mm art liner, I'm going to draw the outlines of my design as thinly as possible. And don't you dare say we make it look easy. This takes practice. I even practiced before this video. I had to do quite a lot of hearts before I got the heart shape correctly. So practice makes perfect. Tip of the day. Practice, practice, practice. Applying a little bit more pressure, I'm going over my first lines after I've cured them to ensure they are all the same thickness. It might look very thick on the video, but they are extremely thin lines. Using the Crystal Clawz Milky Top Coat, I will be painting thicker lines outside, on the outer side of my lines and on the inside of the design. This is what creates that glowing effect that a neon sign gives you. I'm painting a thin layer of this hot pink over all the lines I've created. Exclamation mark on thin layer, otherwise your other lines will not shine through. You want a thin translucent layer over the whole design. Using white art liner gel and my 11mm art liner brush, I'm painting a thin line in the middle of my design, and now it finally gives you that perfect neon sign effect. I'm going to cover it with a matte top coat as the neon signs just pop off of the black. Remember to like and subscribe. Please show me if you've tried this video, if you've liked this video. Leave me comments if there's other things you guys want to see. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.